My name is Nxumalo, the Executive Director of Nguwe Likusasa Letfu, an environmental NGO which basically focuses on environmental awareness to the youth. We are a member of the Clean Up the World campaign, where basically all other entities, which is a global environmental campaign, which Nguwe Likusasa Letfu identifies with. So the reason why we are here today at Msunduza in Mbabane, our activity of the day as part of the Clean Up the World Environment Weekend, we're basically cleaning up Msunduza location, which is a densely populated area of Mbabane in Swaziland, whereby there was a team from Nguwe Likusasa Letfu, there was the Municipal Council of Mbabane, there was the Swaziland Environmental Authority, there was also the local community, which basically is the key thing for success and sustainability of any initiative that is happening. You need the ownership of the local community such that they can own up anything that is happening. So basically what was happening, we were collecting trash from all over, and now we are back at the recycling station where we are going to be recycling all the trash that has been collected. And the theme of the day basically was men should man up for the environment. Why men? Men as leaders of their families, leaders of their communities, leaders of organizations, leaders of government. They need to take a lead in environmental issues such that the youth can look after and take after them and say, if my father could do this, taking care of the environment, why shouldn't I do it? So hence we are here today cleaning up Msunduza in Mbabane. This is just the beginning of other initiatives that will be coming here and in other places in Swaziland. At the end of the day, we will be focusing on the youth. This event will basically just show all youth in Swaziland that this has happened. Men actually put their ties and their suits aside and came and cleaned up their environment where they lived in. So now here we are sorting all the trash in recyclables and non-recyclables so that they can dispose accordingly. The community has been addressed about taking care of their environment on a day-to-day basis, not just today and going forward, and they've been sensitized about other engagements that will be happening at Msunduza going forward in terms of encouraging them and educating them about how best they can take care of their environments.